Okay, welcome back. Now in this lecture, because I'm going to talk about SSL and website security basics. Now, understand this. This is one of the things you have to understand whenever you're building a website. It's outside the website designing, but it's one of the things you have to understand on the web. SSL. Now, SSL means secure socket layer. So it's a security features on the web that enables your website to be secured online. So it limits or it hinders at least for maybe 70%, depending. It enables you to get your website secured maybe for around maybe 70% or 80%. So it hinders the hackers to pry into your website to get um, valuable information from your website. That's why it's very important that you understand the concept of SSL, Secure Socket Layer. Alright, so according to this place, you can see here that Secure Socket Layer encrypts the communication between a website and its visitors. It is essential for security, trust. So now, how can you know? Okay, let me just continue first. And SEO ranking. So now, apart from the security benefits that SSL gives to your website, it enables SEO ranking because Google or any other search engine optimization will never give you the opportunity of you getting ranked on the website. That means you will not be seen on the search engine result. That's why it's very important that you get your website secure. And it's very simple. They have make it very easier for us to do for us to go about it. So we have several things that or several website or several company that can give us this opportunity of making our website very secure. And all right, so one of the most common free SSL certificates we have company exactly. We have Let's Encrypt. Amongst others, Let's Encrypt is um one of the company that gives you free SSL for a limited time, not for forever, for a limited time. And we have Cloudflare. Cloudflare also gives you the ability of you getting your website secure for I think 1 year duration. That's a lot because SSL is supposed to be paid supposed to be paid features on your website or from your hosting exactly. So you can buy it from the hosting. Um, there are ways we go about it. That's why whenever you are trying to get your hosting, whenever you're trying to get it, check the features well. Does this company offers free SSL certificate? If they don't, just opt out from it because there's nothing. It does not worth your money because if you don't have this SSL certificate, then you have to go and buy. Gonna buy. So if you are capable of buying it, then that's okay. That's okay. But if there are ways of going about it, you can get the free certificate. But that is not for this course. I'm just showing you the benefit of SSL certificates. So if you want free SSL certificate, you can go and search for Let Encrypt or Cloudflare. They both offers this free certificate features. You just need to just connect them to your website and you have your website secured. So the way the way for you to install your SSL is by your hosting server. I've said it earlier. Hosting server in your cPanel, you see the features there for you to enable your SSL certificate, and sometimes it's automatically get activated after you've connected your website with the hosting and everything like that. So it's automatically set the the host the SSL certificate activated. So, and other way, sometimes even after this thing is already been said, sometimes it won't show on your website. On Yes, sometimes it will not show. That's why sometimes it's advisable for you forcing HTTPS on WordPress. It's advisable for you forcing HTTPS on WordPress. Now, sometimes now the difference between HTTP and HTTPS, I know you would see that kind of URL online. Sometimes you see HTTP, sometimes you see HTTPS. So the difference between them is just the security feature. So HTTPS means that there's security in in that website, but you having HTTP means it's not secure. That's the difference between them. So HTTPS and HTTP. I hope you understand that. So that's about SSL certificate. So let's go so we can see. Sorry. Okay. Can see. Now I thought about Cloudflare. Cloudflare gives you availability of getting your website secure. You have the DigiSat. You have um, different one. Let's encrypt SSL for free. This one gives you SSL in minutes. So we have different. They are numerous. And how can you know that this website is secure without even having to check if it's an HTTP or an HTTPS? Most of it you would see a padlock at this place. So if you don't see the padlock, you can just click on this icon over here. You see padlock, you see connection is secure, connection is secure, and see connection is secure. And if you want to check the company that gave this SSL, you can just click on this place. Click on this. So you can see that it's Google itself that issued this certificate, this SSL certificate. Can you see? This is the communication number, certificate number, the public key, and the likes of that. So now for our website that we just download I just read online, you can see here that our pay construct is also secured. Now you see connection is secure. And when we check, let's check the who issued the certificate. Let's look on the space. So you can see that okay, zero SSL, zero SSL. So this is when I issue the certificate. Zero SSL, zero SSL. So it's one of the company that gives you SSL. So we have that for Cloudflare, the likes of that. And when we check our website, so let's check our website to see exactly which company gives us the SSL. on I issued the SSL to us. We'll see which company that issued the SSL for us. So let's see. Okay, let's see. Alright, connection is secure. So let's see. You can say let's encrypt. Can you see? So for our website, we have it to be let's encrypt. Let's encrypt. That's the organization that gave us this certificates. So it's very, very important. Very, very important. These are the things you have to understand. It's our website. You can check it out. Alright, so that's about. So, and in the slides we talked about how how best you can, if it's not showing SSL, the HTTPS, and you are very sure that your website or your hosting give you the the certificate or the SSL, or it has the features on the hosting panel. So all you just have to do is just go back to your website, to the dashboard, and just you can search for a plugin called when you search for SSL, you can have. Okay, SSL. Okay, so you can either force it. I just prefer using a plugin. So just click on the plugin, add plugin. So yeah, my screen is a little bit angry. So just search for, just type SSL. See. Okay, now, so this this plugin exactly very simple, security simple, and perform on security. So when you install this, I don't know. When you install this, don't